Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be showing you nothing because it's a Beat the Clock Challenge video, which I do every Thursday. So, what the Beat the Clock Challenge is we try to make a beat in 10 minutes or less. I have a timer that goes on my phone. There's a timer in the top right screen, and it goes for 10 minutes. Once it's done, then we are done. Before I start with this video, I wanted to say rest in peace to Pop Smoke. He was an artist from New York. He was getting a lot of buzz from his new projects, or he had a project called Meet the Woo, and he just recently dropped Meet the Woo 2. Meet the Woo had his popular songs Dior, Welcome to the Party. These songs were huge and his career was going up, but as of this week, he passed away due to an alleged burglary or targeted hit. And so I say and bring all this up because I wanted to do a Beat the Clock challenge for like a Pop Smoke type beat, or like that New York drill, UK grime type of sound. So, bit on a sad note, but hopefully everything gets sorted out, and those who did what are faced with the proper punishment. A bit sad of a start to this video, I know, but I just wanted, it would be wrong for me not to say that given the recent circumstances of what happened. So this is more of out of a tribute for Pop Smoke. I really was a huge fan of his music. So yeah, let's try to make a Pop Smoke type beat in 10 minutes. Alright, so I got my timer for 10 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I'm going to go ahead and start it right now. So we are running. So I need to find what I'm going to use. So I actually made a UK New York drill sample pack. I'm going to grab a melody in there. So right now I'm just getting the key. It's G flat major. G sharp, D sharp minor. So we need to get an 808. D sharp minor. We got 5 minutes left. We gotta really crank this out. Trying to get these drums down real quick. Because we really didn't have a lot of time. It took me time to get that key, figure out those keys, and pick some stuff right. So what we're gonna do is actually. timer's up. We didn't really get that far. I spent too much time flipping through different stuff, not really coming to a conclusion as fast as I would like to. Man, picking the right sounds takes some time. Doing these beat the clock challenges, the whole goal is that we get better at making beats quicker, making decisions quicker, and having our intuition kick in and just be like, do this, instead of like trying to perfect everything down the line. How can we just knock it out and actually make it sound good? I'm personally not the best at doing Pop Smoke type beats. Like, it takes me more time to do it and think through it than it does for me to do other beats. And I think that's kind of like a big factor why it took me longer to work on this than it probably should have. But, you know, we're going to play it. So, I'm going to play what we got. I know it's not the most finished beat, but we tried to do it in 10 minutes. Just try to loop it so you guys actually had something to listen to. If you guys like the drums that I used or the samples that I picked out, be sure to go to the description to get those. I include the links to all the sample kits that I used in this project. I didn't use any VSTs or Make a Melody because obviously, I mean, you could see how low on time we had just even using loops and pre-saved MIDI. But I still flipped through different MIDIs and different samples. I just knew how limited time bound I was, so I just had to pick something and go with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and play this beat. My name is Andrew of Beat It AT. Once again, rest in peace, Pop Smoke. You will be missed. I enjoyed your music, and I know millions of others did as well. So be sure to leave a comment down below with your thoughts on the video and the beat itself. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more beat making tutorials or beat making content like this. This is Andrew, Beat AT, and I'll see you guys later. What?